Hello everyone, so now we are going to discuss about DHCP. DHCP, generally in our daily life we are using this server, DHCP server, knownly or unknownly. Like in our home also, whenever we are having the mobile phone, iPad, Apple, anything, like you have the tablet, desktop, automatically you are getting the IP. You are not assigning manually the IP. Like in our lab just now, what we done, we assigned the IP manually. If you see here, for all the computer we assign the IP manually. But in the real scenario, if you are working in one company, maybe you have 200 computers, so manually if you want to assign, it will be difficult. You need to go to the each and every computer and you need to go like run, then you will write ncpa.cpl, you will open this, you will go to the Ethernet, double click, then click here, and here use manual IP, type everything. By mistake if you do something wrong, again it will not work, so it will be headache. If your manager asks you every week we will change the IP schema or something they are changing for security purpose, or every month go and change the IP address for computer 200 computer, it will be difficult. Or even if they are not changing, first time if they are asking you to assign the 200 computer IP, it will be difficult, it is not practical. So what we are going to do in the real scenario, in the companies and also in the airports, restaurant, in your home, everyone is having one server, DHCP server. So DHCP, if you click, you can see this is a server. Just drag and drop, and I will take one switch here. So I will take one switch, and here I will take some computers. So I will take like maybe some computers or some laptops. We will connect this to the switch. So I will connect this to the switch from here to here. We will connect from here to here, and this will connect to the server. Now we need to assign the IP. First of all, I will put the label here. I will write 192.168.1.1. Whatever IP we want, we can give. I put this label, and we will go to the server. We will go to the server. We will assign the IP, and whatever the gateway you want, you can give. But now we don't have any gateway. Anyhow, I am giving the same IP what we give to the server. We can give anything, whatever we want. In case if we have a router, we will give the router IP here. So this is normal, just assigning the IP address to the server. After that, this one physically we need to assign, means statically we need to assign. If you remember, we told for the router, switch, server, firewall, we will do static, not the dynamic. So this we done. After that, if you see here, this is the services. If you click services, this is present in the packet tracer. In the real, you will not have like this. You will have something different in the Windows server, as we don't want to do that one. That is not in our scope of work. Also in the company also, that will be separate team. But in the packet tracer they give here, so we can execute our lab. If you see, this is a DHCP, click the DHCP, and if you see here, DHCP server is off, so we need to click on, and here by default there is a one pool. So here we can define the gateway, whatever gateway we want to give. Example 192.168.1.1. DNS if we have anything. Now I am giving 8.8.8. we don't have DNS now. Later when we do DNS, we will look this one. So if we have DNS, we need to give here DNS, and from where we need to start the IP, like 192.168.1.0 we can start. So I can say start from 1.2, because 1.1 we assign to this server. So I am saying starting IP should be 192.168.1.2. So start from 1.2, and this will be the subnet mask, and maximum how many computer they can give, we can put the limit. Or if you want to give only 20 computer, you can put 20 computer. And if we have any FTP server, we can put the FTP server IP. If we have the WLC controller, we can put that one also. And here, after doing this modification, just we will click save. So whatever changes we done here, that will save here. If you see, it will save here. If you want to create one more pool, we can create like A, B, C, like this. Anything we can create new also. Like if you want to add example, you click here add. Whatever we change here, we will add. So it will come here. If you want to create one more like this with the different IP schema, we can put different IP something and click, it will come add. But now we don't need, so I will delete this. I will say remove this one, and this ABC also I don't need, I will remove. So we can add example, if you have maybe different pool of IP you need to configure, we can configure. Here we can put the value and click add, put the value, click add. Okay, so this way we will configure, that's all. Just power on, and what IP schema we are using we need to put that one, and after that it is ready. Just go to the laptop and go to the desktop and click the IP config. Here we are keeping by default this one, but now we need to select this and wait for some time. So we will have the packets discover offer request. If you see 192.168.1.2, so this machine is get the IP from 192.168.1.2. As we told, it start from 1.2, and we put the subnet mask, whatever subnet mask we put here inside the server, 255.255.0 that we get, and whatever DNS we put here, you get that DNS here. Okay, and if you want to check the packet, you can click the simulation and go here, and again go here and click here the DHCP. You will see the packet, this one, this is a DHCP packet. If you click open, and if you check here, go to outbound, and you can check here, this is a discover offer request packet. You can see, we can see, or in the Wireshark also we can see more clearly. Somewhere here you will see this packet we are sending for discover packet. If you see, this is the FFF, that means this is a broadcast packet. This is a broadcast packet. He is sending his MAC address, and he is not having the any IP address, and he is sending to 255. 255 means he is sending to broadcast, and the port number, as I told before, they are going to use the port number, so they are using this port number. And if you see, this is a DHCP packet, and here nothing is there, that's why they are putting all are 0. All are 0 they are sending. And UDP, they are using UDP protocol. So here if you see, UDP protocol is here. So this is a discover, then it will go, then the switch will do the broadcast, because this is a broadcast packet, all the guy will reject, only DHCP server will reply. So the packet which is coming, this is a offer packet, we can open, and the outgoing means this one, which one switch the server is sending back. If you see, okay, this one is getting the ARP, this is the ARP packet, because first time they will get the ARP, so this is the ARP packet. Let's check here again, because ARP packet is also broadcast, so all the guys are not sending that one. So let me send again, let me send again. Here what I will do, I will click here, this is the DHCP packet, and this one is what, yeah, DHCP packet only, it is showing 2, so it is one packet only. Actually it go here and it will go here, because this is a broadcast, it will go to everyone and switch will reply. So this one, if you see the packet which received by the DHCP server, and DHCP server is going to reply, that is also broadcast. So we can see here what we are getting. If you see here the IP, the server, this DHCP server is sending the IP. First packet will be discovered, second packet will be offered. So this is the offer packet. In this one, DHCP server is offering this 192.168.1.3. You can use this IP. Who is sending? This guy 1.1. Who is 1.1? This server. So server is saying that one, okay, you can use this IP. And then it will get, then he will ask, he will check, and he will say, okay, I can use this one. This guy will say, yes, you can use. Then if you check, you will get the IP here. Still it is, or if I click here, you will get that IP here, 192.168.1.3. Anyhow, we will do one lab in the, what we can say, in the EVNG or GNS3. So we can capture the packet in the Wireshark to check that one, DORA, discover offer request packets. So this is a process, and if you go to all the computer, just click here, this one, so you will get the IP. Go to the other computer, click here, they will get the IP. So no need to configure manually, automatically they will get the IP. Okay, so this is a basic lab with the theory about the DHCP. So let me